How to delete Weverse app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about deleting Weverse application on your device. So now let's get started. So first of all, in order to delete the Weverse app on your device, it must be installed with its latest version in your mobile. After that, simply launch the application and make sure that it's working properly. But in the case if you want to delete the Weverse application directly, you can tap on hold on to this application, and there you will see the option of uninstall or remove app if you're using iPhone, and then tap on uninstall and tap on OK to confirm. Another thing you can do is you can go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store according to your device, either you're using your iPhone or Android. Then from the search bar, simply type in Weverse. Once you find the application, tap onto it, and there you will see the option of uninstall that is beside open in the left hand side of the screen. Tap on uninstall again to confirm, and after a few seconds, the app will be removed and deleted and uninstalled completely from your device. So that's it for this video. This is how you can delete the Weverse app from your mobile device. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.